Hi there, this is a video on solving inequalities. So like we're doing linear equations, we use our inverse rules. So here we've got an inequality that we've got to solve. So we've got to get the x's all on one side. Don't worry about the inequality in terms of how it affects moving things around. All you've got to be careful of is it changes sign when you're dividing by a negative number, but we'll avoid that. Okay, so let me do an example here. So let's say I had 2x plus 3 is less than 4x minus 7. Okay, so let's use our inverses to get everything on one side. So I move the smallest number of x's to the other side, so I'm going to take away 2x from both sides. So I end up with 3 on its own is less than, and I'll end up with 2x minus 7. Okay, and then my next one is to undo this minus 7, so I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Okay, so I'll write up here, so we end up with 10, yeah, because 3 plus 7 is 10, is less than 2x, and then to finish it off to find x, I'm going to divide by 2 both sides, so then I end up with 5 is less than x. Okay, so if I wanted to put that on this number line here, I'd find out where 5 is, and I'd do an open circle, yeah, because it's less than. If it was less than or equal to, I'd do a closed circle. And because x is greater than 5, yeah, I would then draw my line going that way, yeah, because x is greater than 5. Okay, right, let's have a look at this one here. So let me do my own one. So we've got minus 4 is less than equal to a number which is less than 2. So it wants me to write out the integer values. Okay, so these are integers, you know, no decimals, no fractions. The integer values between minus 4 and 2. Now remember, this little line underneath means I'm including the minus 4, but there's no line under here, so I'm not including this. Okay, so if I look up on this number line, I've got minus 4, yes. Okay, minus 3, yes, minus 2, yes, minus 1, yes, 0, 1, but I can't include 2, yeah, so my list would be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and 1, okay, they're my integers, okay. So part B here is solving the same way you did here for question 1, so you can have a go at that one. This is another integer one, which is what we've just done there, and then there's another solving one. So I'll leave those with you to have a practice with those. Okay then, thanks for listening, bye.